children, today we will do the revision of chapter Alice in Wonderland. Alice in Wonderland is an imaginary story of a little girl, and we will quickly discuss the sequence of events and what were the important things that had happened in the story to recapitulate. Before moving to the story, remember few things while preparing for your assessment, that are: first, focus on the difficult words. Do not forget to go through the difficult words. Then the word meanings. You should know the word meanings of the the list given in your book. You should know one word for them as well. At the same time, you should know the different sequence of events. When I say sequence, then what happened? It is like what was the first event, then the next, and then followed by the others. Then you should know the important characters in the story. What were the important characters in the story? Then the different places discussed in the story. What were the places, names of those places, what were the timeline of the events. When I say timeline, that time I mean to say what happened when. It is in the morning, evening, daytime, 5 o'clock. All these things you should be knowing in the story. As I told you that Alice in Wonderland is an imaginary story of a little girl called as Alice, who happened to be sitting in a garden. She sees a little rabbit who was in a hurry and was talking to himself. He was talking to himself, he was murmuring, and he was looking at a small pocket watch for the time. And suddenly this rabbit entered into a hole, and out of curiosity, Alice followed the rabbit in the hole, and she landed up at the end of the hole. She landed up in a big hall. The big hall had many doors, and it had lamps hanging from its roof. The roof, which was very low, the height of the roof was very less. It was a small room, right? In this hallway, she saw the doors and she was not very comfortable, and she wanted to go out of the hall. When she decided to go out of the hall, she tried to open each and every door in the hall, but she could not. She was very sad. She came back to the center of the hall, and she saw a 3-legged glass table made up of solid glass, right? She on the table she saw a small golden key, and she wondered. She tried this golden key on each and every door. She tried to open each and every door with this golden key, but she couldn't. And by chance, she stumbled upon a curtain, and behind the curtain she saw a small door, a door that was 15 inches. A door that was 15 inches, and she tried that golden key in that keyhole, and she could open it. And she put her head and peeped inside that hole to see what was there. She saw a long passage, and along the passage she could see a beautiful garden with beautiful flowers and other things in the garden. And she was very excited, and she wanted to go through that passage to see, but her head stuck there. She was very sad. She came back to the hall, in the center of the hall, and this time she saw a bottle kept on the glass table on which was written, "Drink me." And she thought, she drank the liquid in the bottle, and she shrank in size. When I say shrank, she became smaller. She shrank in size, and now she was very happy that now I have shrank in size. Now I can go through that little passage. But again, disappointment struck Alice, because now she was very small, and by mistake she had forgotten that golden key on the top of the table. She was small, the table was very high. And now, out of disappointment, she was wondering what to do, what not to do. She was very sad. She was very unhappy with herself. And then too, she again composed back and decided that I can't lose my heart, and I have to come back and I have to find a way out, because she was both excited to go enter that passage and see the beautiful garden. At the same time, she was very anxious and she wanted to go out of the hallway because she was not very comfortable there. And suddenly her eye fell on a glass box on which was written "Eat me." And this "Eat me" was written with currants. And what are currants? These are dried raisins. Like grapes we dry, Hindi mein we call it kishmish. So she saw "Eat me" was written on the box, and she saw inside the box was a cake. So she thought that it will be good if I eat the cake and maybe I shrink in size. I will shrink in size and then I can very easily pass through the passage, pass through the mouth of the passage and enter the passage and see the beautiful world on that side of the whole door. And if by chance I do not shrink and I increase in size by eating this cake, then I have another option. I can reach the table, take the golden key, and then again I can go through that passage. So both ways it's a win-win situation. Thinking all this, Alice decided to eat the cake. And she, what she did, she thought, she started measuring herself. Maybe I reduce in size, maybe I increase in size. But to her disappointment and as a surprise, she found neither she shrank in size, neither she was a little more taller or her original size. And everything came back to normal, and and she started her normal activities. So by listening to the story till now, you will have realized that this is a truly an imaginary story and it has nothing to do with the real world. So this is the story. Go read the chapter many times, go through the story and revise for your assessment. Thank you.